Okay, let me close this. Now let's go back to Stevanialysis and let us try to explore other features. So we're in data analysis, so we have checked the correlation. Now we want the qualitative descriptive statistics. Okay, let's go for this one and see what we have. Okay, so in this one you can import your qualitative data. So I'll import my qualitative data there. The moment that you import the qualitative data, you'll notice that the data set is displayed automatically in the program. Then you can specify how you want to graph these. Okay, so so you can also generate frequency tables, or I mean frequency graphs for each of the variables in the data set. So if you choose maybe these, maybe just those, then okay, when you click that, that copies your data, these tables that you have generated. So obviously you may want to copy the descriptive statistics, and the program automatically detects which variables in your data can be expressed in a descriptive statistics table, because not all variables, like for example these variables that are very qualitative, like we have secondary school certificate, bachelor's degree, you can't present this in a descriptive statistics table, but you can present this in a frequency table. Okay, so yeah, it automatically detects and then generates that. Then of course for graphs you can select which graphs you want to graph, but for now let's just generate graphs for all the we can generate frequency tables like I mentioned. Here we are. And the goodness with this program is that the frequency tables that you generate them automatically just by a button, just a click of a button, and it automatically shows you the frequency tables. Okay, it shows you the total cases, it shows you valid cases, it shows you missing cases for each particular variable. So you'll notice that this has just been done on a click of a button. But if you're using other softwares or other statistical packages, you find that you have to do things one by one, okay, or one at a time. So let us so you can have a huge data set and you want to generate frequency tables for that data set. All you do is just click that button and it will automatically generate all the frequency tables that you need. Okay, then you can just copy and paste them into your Microsoft Word document, depending on whichever that you want to do so. So you can also generate, let me go back to, so you can also generate frequency graph. Okay, so when I click that, of course these are batch charts. It's showing for one, but we can generate for all of them. Okay, so here we have generated for all of them, and each one of them have got an option to copy as a PNG file, and then you can import it into your Microsoft Word Office. So alternatively, you can change the structure of that. You can maybe choose maybe this one and see how the graphs will automatically change for all of them. So there we are. So you can see that the graphs have changed, and you can copy each one of these graphs and import them in your Microsoft Word Office. But I think I like the other one better. Let me see this one and see what we have. Okay, so this one looks better. Okay, so for example, if you want this this one, so it also shows you, it's an interactive chart. It also shows you specifically what is going on. Okay, okay, So let's say we want to import this in say so if you copy this one, you can go in your Word document and you can import it. Okay, so there you have it. You can import it. You can add some explanations as you like. That's up to you. You can also copy this one. Let's copy this one. Okay, then we come here and so we no, close that, copy as I think let's just import it. Okay, so we have it. There we are. We have imported it, and you can maximize it, of course, and it just shows us different industry variables, the industry data, based on what the respondents were basically selecting, and you can easily see the one which was appearing the most. You can see how it is distributed, and the frequencies or the codes as assigned to each of these responses in the data. Okay, so now let us go back to